Well, hello. Thank you for clicking in. This is the haul slash auction preview for this week's auctions. It's 2 nights, 1 auction. It is May 24th and May 26th, Wednesday and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern. And this is only part of it. Part of it is now. And then I'm also doing more tomorrow, and that'll be camera down. So this is only part of what you're going to see, and this is definitely only part of the rings. This is just to serve as a reminder that there will be rings. It's mostly going to be what you've been asking for, the stuff from the thrifted videos and things that I'm catching up on that I promised from my collection. But there will be a choice of rings, and that means that you're going to get to choose what you want to bid on. I'm going to hold everything, and you're going to kind of pick, right? And we are continuing to start these at $50 starting bid, but it's not these. It's mostly everything else, but I will include these as well. Okay, so that was just to kind of give you a taste of what there still is. There's a lot more rings, okay, a lot more. So we'll be incorporating those. The next thing I want to show you is the giveaways, right? I do giveaways, I do cash and prizes. It's going to be this handmade brass heart on the torque and the wish ball, and which is lovely on this little toggle chain, really delightful. It's got dandelion in there. So those will be the giveaways. There'll be another giveaway of jewelry. I haven't decided what yet, so stay tuned for that. And to start with the haul, no particular order of how these are going to be in the auction. This is just to show you what I've grouped together so far. Okay, and the first group is this. All of this amethyst. You can see it's from various videos, right? So there's the graduated giant balls, the amethyst and turquoise. And then this is not amethyst. This is crystal. It's gorgeous old vintage crystal. All of the tiger eye, I decided to let this go. Okay, so all of this is coming up. There is also this longer one here with the oblongs. And then this one is doubled up, and then this is the large beads with the nice silver clasp. This amazing group, all 3 of these are one of a kind. It's the smoky and citrine and pearl with biwa pearl, the big giant. These are gorgeous crystals, honestly. These are so divine. And then we have the nugget lariat, and this is one of a kind, artist made. The pin is open. That's a little accident waiting to happen. There you go. Lots of creativity here. Every single one of these bracelets I'm going to be doing this week. This is so exciting. We have the old turquoise inlay, the bangle with the marcasite, the cuff that's personalized that says thank you on the inside, that's so heavy, and this geometric one that is also heavy. All of those are happening this week. This beautiful thing. This, I read it wrong. I thought it was Chico's. It's chaps. It's old Ralph Lauren chaps. So that'll be coming up. Make sure you text me if you haven't already. Text 917-809-7250 to get the free text alerts when I go live. And you'll just get the link sent right to your phone. And I don't spam you. It's my real phone number. You only get texts when I go live with an auction or a sale or a pop-up. This is going in. I love these so much. I'm not sure which is left and which is right. These are 1980s. They're gold clad. They are, I'm attributing them to Clara Studio. They're wonderful. This is the Dragon's Breath and gold-filled Victorian pin. This is so pretty. Oh, look, you can really see it. I'm having some kind of miracle of luck. So you can see the color shift there from the violet blue to the yellow. Here it is in the back. This is the Italian mosaic vintage ring. So pretty. All of the little pieces are still there. This is an oldie. That's probably 1950s. So wonderful to find that. And this is adjustable. The vintage Anne Klein door knocker hinged hoops in the matte gold. These are fantastic forever earrings now. Show so much personal expression and style when you wear vintage earrings like this, because they're not over the top crazy cuckoo eccentric, but you can't buy them anymore. Same goes for this. This is also Anne Klein. This is Lion logo. This is a beautiful link necklace, toggle clasp. There's the lion over there. Let's see if I can get it to drop. There it is. This is wonderful. Very excited about this one. This is coming up. This is the crystal. This is the old antique one on its original strand, and then this one has been restrung. Both of these are really, really good quality crystals. Those are coming up. This very old silver pin. This looks Mexican or English to me. It has some inlaid black in there. This is wonderful. That will be coming up Wednesday or Friday. I'm not sure which one. The collar, of course, this is most likely, I'm guessing that this is my favorite. Out of everything that I have this week, this is definitely my favorite. The vintage signed Coro bracelet in the kind of deco pattern. This looks like it's new. This was such a good find. This came from the church rummage sale. Look at that. It is signed on the inside. It is, I want to say, 80 years old and looks like it was made yesterday. And I actually have a Los Ballesteros necklace that matches this so close, and I'm still gonna auction it off. These are fantastic, fantastic finds. This is the Murano glass, the cobalt aventurine, and then this is poured glass, cabs, green and blue, not signed Swarovski. I do believe they are Swarovski, but not a Swarovski necklace. Swarovski elements, which is what they used to call it back in the day when they were still providing. Look at that. Cute little cat pin. That's coming up, or big cat pin, I guess you could say. Here he is diagonal on the pillow. Sterling. The multi-gem necklace, which someone made, which is tourmaline and garnet and I think labradorite, if I remember correctly. It's hard to tell in this light. And then the old malachite with the Chinese silver clasp. This gorgeous thing, Roberta Chiarel, circa 1980s, looks like new. It's a 2-4. The pendant happens to be on the link chain, and I love the way that looks. So this, as well as the Irwin pearl earrings, the discs, these are so nice. Oh my gosh, look at them. Look at them with just what I'm wearing today. Oh, beautiful. Those are happening this week. And that's it for now. Make sure you are subscribed, that you ring the bell, that you like the video, and then you'll have a better chance of catching the rest of the haul that's coming out tomorrow. Table down camera down on the table. And I will see you tomorrow, and I will see you at the auction. Thank you for watching.